In this video, I will show you how you can turn off liquid glass on any iPad. Now, if you want to turn off liquid glass, there are a few methods to do so. If by that you mean to remove liquid glass from the app icons, now to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen. And from here, just tap on Edit. From this pop-up menu, just tap on Customize. Now, instead of Clear, just select Default. And after you do that, you'll remove liquid gloss from the app icons. But even after you do that, the liquid gloss elements will remain enabled in some areas, like the background of your notifications or the app dock will remain transparent. Now to turn off liquid gloss from here, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Display and Text Size, then enable the toggle for Reduced Transparency. After you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on display and brightness, and from here just tap on liquid gloss. Now instead of clear, just select tinted. Now just select turn off and use tinted. And after you do that, you will turn off liquid gloss completely on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.